I'm gonna be a mermaid! Yay! Can't wait to becoming one. Oh wow, my tail! I have a tail!
All fine. Now you may go it. Here you go.
Finally, I'm so excited! Thanks!
Close it up.
Oh hi, may I come in?
Sure. I just need to check you first.
Alright. Ooh, it's so cold! Ooh.
Legs alert!
Oh, what's going on?
I'm trying to figure it out. Legs, legs, legs!
My legs?
No legs allowed. You're going to jail.
Oh no, it can't be real. Hello, my precious. I want you to be the most beautiful mermaid in the world. And in no time you will be one. Just let's make you a pretty tail and make it shiny. Well done. You look really awesome. Hey, look, isn't she beautiful?
What is it? A mermaid? Really?
Yep, a real mermaid.
But I don't see anything like that here. Good! You may come here. Enjoy.
And I will come with her?
Not so fast. You're going to jail.
Huh? How so? In jail? Oh no, please don't do this to me.
Right you are. Here you go. Well done. The prisoner is in.
Hey, that's not fair. I'm not supposed to be here.
You aren't? Sorry, kid, but being a nerd is illegal here. See?
Oh no, why is it happening to me? How can I become a mermaid? Ouch! What was it? Oh, a bottle. There's something inside. Let's take a look. Hey, come on. Open up.
Ouch! Oh my, something definitely is wrong. All right, let's try to fix it.
Finally, so what is it? Oh, it's a list. How to become a mermaid. Cool. Decorated wavy hair out of this. But how am I supposed to do that?
Lunchtime.
Oh, thanks. Though I don't think I'm that hungry. So how to make my hair mermaid-like? Huh? What is it? Hey, right, I can use this. First, I need to comb my hair very thoroughly. Oh, come on. I don't need this mess. Off with it. Feels fine now. Wait, but what is that smell? Where does it come from? Here? Right, these ones smell so awfully. Socks? Well, let's use them too. Just put one here and roll it up, then another one. But I have only one pair. Wait, how about these? Right, they will do too. One and the second.
Fix it, fix it.
Great, it's finally done. Though the smell, yuck.
All right, let's sit and do it. I just need one sharp move. Finally, all good now.
Yay!
What?
Finally!
Socks? Oh, no, no, no.
It worked! It really worked! Now my hair is really mermaid-like! Wow, looks so awesome! And what's there next in the list? Oh, it's perfect skin! But my skin has never been perfect before? How to do that? It's impossible. Oh, what is that thing? It's something from the ceiling. Oh, it's all you, my ugly one. Come here! Ew, you look even uglier here. Yuck, so gross. Don't be so rude. I just wanted to help you. Oh, really? Sorry, please do help me. No problem. Just put me on your face. Everywhere you need it most. And leave me there for a while. Wow, so smooth and clean. Thank you so much. You're welcome, dear.
Hey! Snails are illegal. Give it to me.
No, she's my friend.
Give it now.
I'm so sorry, dear. That's okay, dear. Don't worry.
Thank you. Well done. The snail was extracted. But what is it here? Oh, I know this can be fixed too. Right? It looks perfect. So here's the snail.
Nope, I won't help you. You're mean.
Now it should be gone already. But what is it? Oh no, it's even worse.
Oh, just look at you. Look at your face. So now my skin is perfect. What's next? Let's see. Makeup. Makeup in a jail? Really? Oh, but what is that? A trace? Where does it lead to? It goes here and then here? Interesting. And what is there inside of it? Let's take a look. Cute. Let's take it out and check the insides. Oh, what's that? Ew! Huh? Is that what I think it is? Wow, now I can have any makeup I wish.
Hey, here's your lunch.
Ew, seafood. It's so smelly. Hey, but I can use it too. That's a really great idea. Just put it on and add some color. Nice and easy. Here and there, in the mermaid way. I think it's done. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. And now let's take this. Fixing it. Still fixing it.
Check Sway. She's weird.
Oh, and these ones look perfect for eye makeup. Let's try it. Oh wow, looks so amazing! It was much easier than I thought, but what is that? Oh no, my lips. No, 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 mermaids don't have lips like that. There is no way to make this right. I'm doomed!
Try this.
Huh? A coconut? Alright, let's crack it. Ouch, my hand!
Ew! Hey! Stop it all immediately, or I will...
Hey, little one, come on up here. You're so nice and soft. Please help me.
All right, just don't be rude!
Okay, don't worry, dear. Just enough. Thank you so much.
Whew, I hope it'll help.
Yeah, I'll just add some coconut water. Just a few drops, and mix it thoroughly. Now it's ready. I'll just put some right on my lips. Just a little bit. Now rub it. And voila! They look perfect now. Unrecognizable. I look so amazing. I need to check it out. Hey, Megan, please come look at me. Check this out. Do I look like a mermaid now?
Face looks fine, but no bra. And the legs are still there. No, you're still not a mermaid. You stay here.
Oh, no. Hey, I can turn her off.
You stay here.
Right. Now get the keys fast. This is my chance to get out of here. What? It was unlocked all this time? Oh, whatever. Run, nerdy, run.
Reload. Hey, where is it you're going?
Oops.
Get back, immediately.
No, I want to go home. No! I will never get out of here. How could anything like this happen to me? Huh? The legs are still there, you say? Fine, let's change it then. I need to cover this all up and cut out a nice fancy-looking tail. This will be a little bit messy, but it's worth it. I guess I don't need this.
Huh? What is it? A mermaid tail? Seriously?
Yeah, it's almost done. Oh, hi there.
Use me too. I will make it all so shiny.
Sure, dear. It's so sweet of you. Now let's add some glamour to my new taily tail.
Add it up. The more the better.
Looks so great. Thank you, dear.
Anytime.
Now I look like a real mermaid. Wait, the bra. I need the bra. I guess I've seen some cute shells somewhere. Oh, they're over there. But can I reach them? Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, here they are.
Huh? What was it?
Cool, now I can make a mermaid bra. They look just perfect. So let's start. First, the color. Fabulous, but it still lacks something. Oh right, the pearls. Mermaids love them. So let's add these beauties too. On the bottom and above as well. Now, how does it look? Fantastic! Ready to shine and marvel. One more final check. My armpits! But where is it? Where's the hair? Gotcha! So hysterically funny. Feels like I've missed something again.
So, what's new on the Mermaid TV? Interesting.
Oh, I know what else I need. I need some earrings too. Let's check what else could be used here. Nothing here. No, not here. Maybe here? No thanks. And what is this cutty doing here? Let's see what it can do. Maybe it will get me some earrings. No, not a bag. Earrings! And not these things either. Oh my gosh. Oops.
Bring my hair back. Give it back, immediately.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. Oh no, no earrings out there. But I can do some myself. Right, just choose a form. And add some mermaid details. Wow, this will look so fantastic. And now let's add some glitter too. It's gonna be awesome. Here, let's check it. Wow, nothing could look any better. Now try it on. Finally, I think I'm ready. Hey there, I think you can finally let me out of here. Look, I'm a real mermaid now.
Hair and makeup, check. Bra, check. And the tail. No legs spotted. Yes, you may go now.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, hi, guys. Wow, it's so cool. Wow, hi, handsome. Oh, hi. I've just wanted to...
Oh my gosh.
Oh, don't worry, I'm fine.
Oh, my poor little one. Oh, my dear, are you hurt?
Huh? Like, seriously?